Thank you.
The topic for our today lecture is transforming medical research with artificial intelligence. Learning objectives of this session will be understand AI's role in data extraction, data processing, and research methodologies. Learn how AI enhances systemic reviews, meta-analysis, and statistical research. Explore AI's role in research integrity, fraud detection, and clinical trials. Discuss the challenges and future of AI in medical research. Introduction to artificial intelligence in medical research. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing medical research by providing innovative solutions to complex challenges. This presentation explores how artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape of medical research. Like artificial intelligence enables researchers to process vast amounts of medical data efficiently and accurately, reduces human workload by automating data extraction, cleaning, and data analysis, enhances hypothesis generation, research reproducibility, and scientific transparency, allows real-time data-driven decision-making in health research. Overview of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machine programmed to think and learn. Key technologies include machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, robotics. You have seen multiple websites on it like LLMs with ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and now the new one is Grok 3. And in machine learning and deep learning, these are the types of artificial intelligence which are used for different methods. Importance of artificial intelligence in medical research. Artificial intelligence has immense potential in healthcare, including increased efficiency, automating routine tasks to allow researchers to focus on critical analysis, enhanced accuracy, reducing human error in diagnostic and data interpretation, analytics analysis of large data sets. The integration of AI can lead to faster and more effective healthcare solutions, make decision-making easy in research, clinical trials, improving patient recruitment and data analysis, predictive analytics, forecast disease progression. Now, artificial intelligence in data extraction for medical research. The process of collecting and structuring relevant information from various sources is called data extraction, like scientific literature, clinical record databases, automated literature reviews. Artificial intelligence scans thousands of research papers to summarize key findings. Natural language processing. Artificial intelligence extracts insights from scientific texts, clinical trial results, and EHRs. Knowledge graphs and text mining. Artificial intelligence builds a relationship between concepts in large data sets. Artificial intelligence powered citation analysis tracks influential research and uncover emerging trends. Examples are in systematic review and meta-analysis, we use Ryan for screening and elicit AI for data extraction. Medical literature summarization, here we use Semantic Scholar on OpenAI GPT. Semantic Scholar is used for searching of articles on OpenAI GPT like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Grok 3. It is used for various purposes like data analysis, data extraction, but it requires prompts which we have to learn. Clinical trial data extraction, we extract data from clinical trials. Some of the websites are IBM Watson, Google Data Sheets, and in biomedical text mining. So here we extract or search articles in semantic scholars. Impact on research saves time in conducting systemic reviews. Before this, the age of AI, we searched in many databases like PubMed, Google Scholar, and many others. But these databases can be searched by semantic scholar easily. Like we search only one website, semantic scholar, or we can get a reference uh, through OpenAI GPT, like the Group 3, which is a better version, and DeepSeek, which is better than ChatGPT. These two can be used to get 80% of references correctly. Now, reduces human bias in selecting relevant research articles. Similar to that, improve research reproducibility by automating data retrieval. Now, AI-powered data analysis in research. How artificial intelligence enhances data analysis in research. Artificial intelligence enables complex pattern recognition, statistical modeling, and trend forecasting. Can handle high-dimensional data set that traditional methods struggle with. Like we just put our data into the chat GPT or DeepSeek, then we give prompts what we want to do in data analysis. And these OpenAI analyze the data for us, just like that. It doesn't require many uploading into R or SPSS or other software. Now, key artificial intelligence method used in data analysis. Supervised, these are some AI methods which is used in data analysis. So supervised learning, AI predicts patient outcome based on historical data. Unsupervised learning, AI discovered unknown correlations. Neural networks and deep learning, these are used for find intricate patterns in biomedical data. Now there are two types which can be used for statistical analysis like Julius AI. This is a website with the name of Julius AI. It uses Python and R code for statistical analysis. Julius AI, we can give our data to the Julius AI and then give the prompt that I need these results from Python or R. There is an option for Python and R. We can change that and it gives us the data analysis. Then similar to the chat GPT, we give our which can do advanced level analysis when proper prompt is created for it. Like we upload our data to ChatGPT. Now there are two other DeepSeek and Grok 3. We can upload our data there. Then we have to give a proper prompt exactly what we want. And it gives us code or directly analyze the data. Now the impact of artificial intelligence on research. Artificial intelligence improves hypothesis testing and statistical validation, enables researchers to work with large datasets, reduce sample size base. Like before artificial intelligence, we have to put the data into SPSS or other websites or programs. Then we have to calculate everything manually. Now in AI, we just give the data and give the prompt for what we want and it do all the calculation by itself. Artificial intelligence driven models enhance predictive analytics for disease progression studies. Artificial intelligence in systematic review and meta-analysis. Systematic reviews combines multiple studies to provide high quality evidence for medical guidelines. Now, how AI enhance systematic reviews? Automated screening of articles. Artificial intelligence filters relevant studies in minutes instead of weeks. Like there are many websites, Semantic Scholar, Connected Papers. Similar in bias detection, artificial intelligence detects methodological flaws in research papers. Automatic data extraction. AI extracts statistical results from meta-analysis. ChatGPT and Elicit can be used for it. Example are Ryan uses artificial intelligence to accelerate systemic review screening. An impact on research. Reduces time and cost of systematic reviews, improves objectivity in article selection, enhances accuracy of medical meta-analysis results. AI in clinical trial research and optimization. Optimize patient recruitments, AI-powered trial monitoring, predictive outcome modeling. These three are enhanced by artificial intelligence in clinical trials. Example is intelligence assisted Delphi Janssen vaccine for COVID-19. This is an example where artificial intelligence related clinical trial was done for Janssen vaccine for COVID-19, which is developed by the artificial intelligence. Impact on research increases clinical trial efficiency and reduces failure rates, minimizes cost and delays in new medical discoveries, improve generalizability of clinical research findings. Artificial intelligence in research integrity and fraud detection. Research fraud issues AI can detect. Plagiarism and paper duplication. Artificial intelligence verifies originality in scientific publication. Image manipulation detection. Artificial intelligence detects fabricated biomedical images. And fake data generation. Artificial intelligence uncovers statistical anomalies in published research. Example is software and image tuning. Artificial intelligence detects manipulated imaging by medical research. Strengths scientific strengthens scientific credibility by reducing false discoveries, encourages transparent and reproducible research practices, enhance AI enhance peer review efficiency by flagging suspicious studies. Challenges of AI in medical research, data bias and ethical issues. Artificial intelligence relies on high quality data for accurate predictions. Regulatory concerns. Artificial intelligence generated findings require scientific validation before implementation. Interpretability problems. Some artificial intelligence model lack explainability, limiting search adoption. The future of artificial intelligence in medical research. Artificial intelligence-driven automated hypothesis generation will speed up discoveries. The first is to speed up discoveries. The second is to enhance research data security. And the third is interdisciplinary collaboration between artificial intelligence developers and medical researchers is crucial. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing medical research through data extraction, processing, and analysis. These three are used like data extraction, processing, and analysis. These are the main. Other are also like screening in the systemic reviews. The second is artificial intelligence improves systemic reviews, meta-analysis, and clinical research methodologies. In future research must ensure responsible artificial intelligence use to enhance scientific integrity. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,